works. As the program executes, some information comes up, it stores it in memory, and you want to mark it as trusted in blue. Later, when you keep on going, some other information comes in, which is untrusted, and you mark that as red. Now, the whole technique of data flow tracking involves that every single cell in memory that you have, every entry in memory that you have, you want to track whether it is trusted or whether it is untrusted. And you keep a separate record that tells you what the property of every memory address is. And as the program executes, if this data goes on and overrides some trusted data, you have to keep track of it. So this will also go up to track it. Right? And when later on, when the program uses this untrusted information for some intended to be trusted operation, you will raise a warning. That is the whole idea of data flow tracking. So as you can see, the key idea here is that you have to maintain this record of memory, record of the property for every memory address. Now what makes this really hard is that you are accessing memory billions of times every cycle. If you have a 3 gigahertz processor, you are accessing your memory almost 3 billion times a second. And if you are storing this, updating this, making sure no property is being violated on every single memory access, you're going to have a program that is running factors hundreds of times slower than your normal program, which means no one will use it. So the task is, how do we make this program go fast enough so that people use